wow. Ade baako ye gift Nyankopon de ache pa. Where sister? Yeah. Ade baako ye atoma che ye kese pa Ghana. Nyame de ache ye pa. We can cohabit our brothers. No matter the religious background. So over to Nebia. So for being man and I be no my debate no problem we have for the Quran we have and Bible. I don't pack. Bambia, where had Mistress Ya or what I was saying. I found Mufaso de Quran, Messia on pet. And yet, what you are there. Anna, I've not said Susan say. Books now can a damn Bible was also defending the belief. Omwe, Obiasere, Omko. Jane, my Ghana was I. Yeah. I like to hire a crown. So, Sadia man and a young group on the Tomachain. And see a tutuna say. I see people what they are doing, say, and I can call Baba say, what am I? Oh, go Baba, what am I? Every hour, your wound read your back for 7 years. 10 years, maybe I see. Sometimes, you know, even a buying for some 9 for no, maybe you say, but my catcher, my say, what else are going by you? Or Sabi, people are praying when it's as your toy or my one city brother. Oh, dear Jesus, or Baba, who be up with you. If they have batters, House of Chiefs or home best of it. Remember, couldn't sign young and found your brother. And teachers should also orientation time. They should also let the students know that coexistence thing. He has so many community and the community being advised by the community leaders. Don't move fast. Where was the Albanian school class or community? Because a big prep school in their community, they are not getting the you can't say. Omu nya community no, omu nya school. Na de jamia dom no man nya school. Mo kra na o se mbo school no ban. Ma me kwa ma so se wo hoda ye ne se ni komo. Ye hwe de enra esi se aropai ma che. Hello sir. Sir, Otian Caro, good morning. Onyan say, Mamma, many say, and Yama is see, Oka, say, a suku from Padano, Bravo, so my wife, say for Bassa, wouldn't be able to 2 days from why they say, out of my check. I shall see. So, what you come at? Now, a pump for cordier. Sir, good morning. For the presence of the police yes, the way forward for us is important because Padana was now because essence of preaching yeah, Padana so what they do go to hospital I don't pay much say no now give it
When you also, why they are Dauroma, Mehoye. Now, also,
what you are doing,
okay, I am, Mate. If a African shirt, no. Color no so woman so many yellow no. Yellow ne woman so many papa. Yes. A man for Nkwantabisa.
One more time, Ade Akye Abia, or shirt in the coat yellow. And are you one? One more time, your combi shirt and so on. All the combi colors. Way of smart. If you are across the day.
Oh, Benny, Namiadum. Maybe I find pa. A good dynamic.
Oh,
good dynamic. Today, BCBA, a dynamic. But so now, so
I'll find Bibia Boko.
Mommy, so where dear?
The Hoya so
okay. Mate. All right.
Okay. I'll pay your baby come up. Yabe school for the dinner and rounds meaning say international year where you out there Mami Pa on South Africa. And right here we first back 300. Also ebe drew ye. Now I'm told say package now Minister Kyle they made it say 5,000 each. Now 5,000 each. Yeah,
$400,000 Ghana. Okay, 5,000. Yes. 4 million.
40 billion. 4 million. Na 40 billion no. One say yeah the package we can wear. Bill.
4 million, 40 billion.
They who know. About you need us or choose cat. Or that's a mouse can hear the mower. Be cool. But yeah, I
don't go to wood.
Almost said that day. And your package be.
Sell package no kwa cost no.
Why me?
Package no kwa cost no.
On yourself. Yeah. Now Miss Kwame, I say what for a product.
Yes.
So who did you find? I expect to say Wakenya to be fine.
Ani. Akwankoja be.
Who did you hear Kwenya na kitu?
Akwankoja no dey na enche krai.
Yes, ni padodo e ba se nipa 800.
800.
Asa mtia maka kwa.
Sure.
Na nyama e wom na wa wuru be ya great.
I don't know you opini be say di womu nie. Ship dealer be ka jose. Di womu nie. Eti di womu na nkasa na de wuhu.
Dabi.
Titi so otina bi asem na atesem. Me nam na metete sa na ebo boba. Na ebo boba.
Fast do that ka le ko tira baby. Ayi hotel ye nim say hotel boy yesi. Na all say hotel ko $14. What's our master be ka che say me in charge hotel $14.
Mo se dollar na ebu yesidi. Me wan so $1 ani. I say anything.
Now the hwesenia obu inflate eye a hotel cost. I'm what more deal.
Papa.
Say the number of people there. Yaman yes can. My young fan yoli bia meka ho. Cause what in yasem no.
Eti enra say ba ko bi de me hu so oyimo Kwame no yi mosquito net. And I'm saying me hu oil kakra but man she dey hu niam ani ye. Sa na man ketenkete no obeni. Sa na man ketenkete na gbomo no. Bag no kwa akra bu kra o te yembe so.
See, I want na agenda ni wo do ga. O le bu ni ga, me se ga ye ho.
La ilaha illallah. Hi.
Me say,
easy.
Omuka see ebo mu package na say package be. Mo scan ni pa o ma ba no mu here scan.
Oh yes, o mu here scan. No fa establish no ho.
O men scan, o ti mu koto mu.
Debi.
E kom di no say kom di no koto mu.
Obeto.
O mu say mu koto anwa.
Debi. Nye na be ma na aduane adi.
Mosquito net ye di.
E mo na ade amano no. O ko sia obi a o ye bu pa na o twe ma. Ti say Kwame
Oh, she had Dennis organized.
Hey! On fa ho say she. Omo ni say. Or ah.
5 kg.
Or the 3 days. Obedi arop. No, a day crowd did it 5 times.
Ah, masa.
O did it 5 times.
Nse koba no mu peja nembo. Enti kwa be me de o ma ya de. Ma me mo aban we ya ba so pa because enye easy so be pa ko kende. Na ya mo bi say you are part of it. Na ya ba be foul. Everyone to see the happy. The family be akwa ko ka ko do na. O kwa am say sika from the be fa flight na bo mu no. O ti obedi kra wonya. Hwe ye so bia na wa kwanto ma ne ho to no. One obi on ma oban. Enim guase aka ho e beka se okwo no wan ko bobranti. Waka ho. No ne nam se bodamini. Obi on so a aho kire ne enko na sika kro de be ticket flight abakra no. Onya se sika no. Onkai. Okobo amo be se nti onkai. Wonkai de wo boa. Oko kan sesia and is obiat makodi about 30 years in South Africa, 20 years in South Africa, 10 years in South Africa. Then nipa no nye kohwini nembo plot kro ntimi ntobia usa South Africa na nye betesa anya betesa o aha aya sam unko ah utempa ai ah oh se no dia kwam se dia onya amane bo na se uti krom oye dey se no bana be sro bibia for the first week obeti yes first week you know any dey be sure fine now 2 weeks equal one apply of 5,000 no be di waduma. So me aside sikanom the moment I think say no so munyan confirm be advise you how to invest the money because 5,000 the Kwame ya he 50 million ya he 5,000 5,000 akom ko kentwa ah Bradina go for the 85,000 me say obi so akwatena abro kira na enu ma bai sa oba enu nyame ampato kwa kwotram kwankwan ni ase kwa me waba ne atese ya ma 5,000 edi wona abeto o de club boss asa na hwe let's kanashi na fei ya hwe yo munyina etie sigalem ate body amo asema make am de mo fani agro and person yes Cambodia so to aso that's Ghana there they say you brother you Cambodia kuro no to so Cambodia etimi ka tell say Ghana for ma we ultimate we yam fire yen call for obi o obi o free o Cambodia just get to kwa bi die Cambodia ah Kwame Cambodia from Kata to the people crew that be Cambodia be be for crowd we o dia me say for mu krata ni to so the form crew Cambodia you pay for more bay oh yes Cambodia nyame na etwa ye ka na sese ah enu anu no ah ai Yampenfo adi ewo, yampenfo Barbara me do be ko Cambodia be ko. On cross on ko. Cambodia. Cambodia di. Cambodia my word. No, eh no me da bi nyame na e kire say ye nya nkwase asem ne adi ti ekuru. Omo tourist site the video. Oh raise. Cambodia te Ghana wally. Na Kwame, ye man no I said go te be o. O de for I capital no to na manfo anga say anya fetu. Ba me so o Cambodia kuru da e ka. Cambodia edie. Kwame, Abreko that's film. Cambodia. Capitan the F kakra. Capitan na te kurobia. Na dia mami twa Ghana capital nti o se nyefa. Eni. O the F o the twa Ghana so capital to se nyefa. O baka se na akra ni. Na se ye twa ni mpodi. O the twa yo se de nto nchen. Se nyefa. Masa.
All foreign nationals find Cambodia on or before the return of the May 2026. Any foreign national who enters from the base or is found in Cambodia for 10 or 2 days in which will be arrested at the airport or at any location and shall 1. Serve a jail term of 2 years and pay a penalty of $8,000 or only that the airport for family. Only that $8,000 before you are allowed to leave Cambodia.
So Oma is specific. Oma ka Kenya. Oma ka Ghana. Oma is specific. Oh, Cambodia de machida. No kwasem de heba. Debi. Because I think match more crowd. No more sem sa bad. Cambodia ni Israel. Ana aban okude to abla kwa ya na adwen se omo ya arrangement se dia kofa Ghana for free South Africa, but say omo nya careful because send your mama South Africa for 5,000 obi about 5,000 but Cambodia there Ghana for ho nche dan no so omo estimate say is around 400 to 500 omo a yen fancy edi mom so omo a so omo kom titi ko 400 to 500. What track Cambodia junior has? Israel cried in pretty. Ya papa mu bebre mu kwatena ho nya aja. But Israel for so na was ever 40 omu e di free ho Cambodia and South Africa. But Israel for no mu Ghana for. Cambodia for ni e be free nyame bo a o se kwasi ada ho. Ana ye hwe se bro be ba so dia. But as it stands now, mono dia menya show so mbabo om dia ndio be so mbadu sika and abedem 2 years. And your prisons no ko masha say ba be $8,000 on. Oh, na so mu di omu wo. Om di so mu wo. Because nya ne buy. Omo di kind of buy no more a waiver. Olkuja toni om kwa kan ya no my waiver. Hey, Papa, Cambodia Kroni Bitoso. Cambodia. I say Ghana, ya may you cruma. Now, Pupon catch it, say, Yam penny for no moon form Nancy form. Now, draining your Juma. Sanka, draining your Juma free Croma pencil, Eba, ya baby in your chin, ya blam, you'll be a count. Nanka Ghana, ye two Kanya aqua trascan. I shwaga Afghanistan as a hey. Aqua Pakistan, Aqua Cambodia. Ah, that day, Bonnie Bing. That day, Kwame. Cambodia. Ah. Of course. Yeah. Cambodia dio muwa. Cambodia adio muwo pa. Adio muwo pa. Mehwe no. Omudi ebo onwukro ho ban fish. Etrudu Cambodia. Omunsuo na ewo ho no. Nsuo a fish ewo mpa. Enti eno de omuriver ba ko e friend Mekong. Ba ko se friend Tonle. Enti Cambodia ye kura omu forest. Omu kro na about 60% forest. Enti about fresh air ne sa anwoma na eno de omu ye far better than Ghana. Ana enchechemu so kire se enhwehwemu a kire se omu a lot of minerals a omu nyan from nsa kra nkan. But omu de omu focus pass o mine no fish. Enti Cambodia nsuo ho pa. Tuduru odma fishery die. Omu fe ni agro. Enti menim se Ghana forum ko nko ya afrafo adwuma. Se yo. Wan. Enti adwuma wo kwa akoya hu se adwuma kwa akope bia ye Cambodia. Omu ata abo omu pa ye omu nim fish ho adwuma. Ana omu so omu me na yi no nti Ghana fo no kwa. Ora afari fo no kwa akoche omu skills. Adwuma kakra omu didi omu so kwa akoye bi. Ti sa dia munkom krom. Munkom krom ya ni obi ani fish chie wa ha. Eti ene Cambodia fo ani bra bri nyina sa nyema no. And unim sometimes I don't blame them. Yen yemra ne emfa nya adwuma obi de ne mra be ye adwuma. Wa wura krom, wa overstay oto ho ye den. Knowing very well say the immigration laws of a country no allow. And then ya pamwa near the baba ye nationalism and I say ye country against country. Why would country me amount 6 months, 1 year? Why ye dear ye bra? Otu chronomy ama waiver. Oh, and I make us sometimes no. Ye bet to when ye told obin so ayanya research. Because why ya research I go chronomy sika kra de betwa flight abakra wunya no akoka chronomy. And ye nyomu pe niso mbeka chronomy. That is not what they want. So mukwa akoka chronomy but okwa chronomy ni sika wonu wunya na de atwa flight akọ. Okwa fish na watching wonya bi. Alright, ya say wa homa so yankọ na yankọ hwe ofin so enso nkomo no. Hello, say hello pe machi.
It is opening kasi.
Na ubom to say.
Diadom na wonso.
Oba diadom ya ho ya pa. Elra edi ankasa na si wo campus o.
Pa lecture na tie phone na. Ko anya kasa witness of it committed the family 7. No, anya no pa. No watch number intel number again. Ni yore ntia se sukumu number ko mo phone nya ntoko bikaka. Okana de and then also I went to acquire a free ticket. And you did a credible hotel and ready to acquire the Abba. And you know, say, I shall see a school private school. No government in the so no private school. I know hostel hotel in no school. 3-4 years now, the government, I was also calling our moral school. Community school, the police is the government and everything. I think conform upper boarding. One more facilities can come and conform at the upper boarding. So I know the remember one local for the school, I was here then. It was I was here first school because I was 15. And this school, my person to only say the client that I couldn't think because of sex. Maybe we comment say Krumo Roma and can say almost on public toilet. That school compound also. The school to first getting access to get public toilet, no problem I think. I'm on you know going to went here down on the same thing. And I group you one more be dinner one more. So much I say somebody motor somebody the move and get every school. Because this school we are going to new school at the ABM, so the net I can name it. I'm going to go at the free ticket. So fast forward this very Saturday. Yeah, you currently go entertainment with a car. And I say,
when you went in the free ticket, back where I say, more now say school no, Namia to moi. A bansa be so much, say a church, say be a chroma for Beja Biaco, I want to be a Biacon. Also, we are near toilet soon to a monkey.
I'm on just yet. Could charge him feel no, I can feel for no. I say, yes, say, you're coming near the right school cry, say, on one pass as in blue bed, the cooling pass as in a very school and gas of a jet or most of my day.
As a toilet,
you are no cool, no more for reason because you see it school and you become by the moon or money cooling you encounter the day in the school metro. Uncle Fasten be a day at the Abba. I don't know when you went to the house, I could be a sense of penny for him. And on the say, cleaning community school in check, and I went to be nearby in a day entry. There was a coolie and it's a Mujib and a Mujib with the bird. Sukuno. If I went to you in the now, treated it. Then the news of Mama be away a day. Eh, because I said, you teach any like school more or more. I don't know, I say, oh yeah. Ocean Colony in Sudan in the house master. Each days in Intino, and maybe I also issue where they listen the more to see a tire at our cooling them for no casa. As to say, because they will cooling more casa, that's same. But in case you're adding. Although, you know, fixing out master, the cool room cookura, Bipiana, a French one, the time where to go coffee, and also better come to show more. I don't want to be seen in Toronto. I'm quite a friendship, move free ticket because I say, I don't want to start saying, say, yeah, my mom, the Dia group is not safe for because I say, Collier Day, and Collier Day, and Center. It's a more day at the home. No, this very Saturday. I'm the good entertainment, and Collier Press of Papa. I'm not the other subject town for school for the sense. I'm not the moment your day. In Europe. And the before when you keep on Saturday now. Yeah. And I'm going for so I'm on to Quadia Day. And I see a town for Nakodai. Fast forward, Tuesday, yeah, this very Tuesday came. Monday, no. It is too bad and they can see the one of the way or more castle. Intino, or more the letter bear school and was at the end of some bad day. I'm the answer of honor. No, the person letter about Monday, the school yet a letter. Or because of say a letter, official letter, ever. When the town also the buy or say a more piano cacarosi to the training. So by the teacher, you also said that you are going to teach any other letter in my school, you call Abaco. Letter no, no. Yes, people letter, no, and also he said, the typers are the boys, the students. The teachers know which says that letter in your proper word address. You know, when you letter and go, I'm quite a letter you don't day. I'm from there. Almost friend Monday no the training. Also rather the Monday no not. I get Tuesday in the school say more on the moment say come for no matter what the school party. I this school pay is always a derby. The moment no a letter by an empty for no fear no mission no good incommodation. They are also no more kind of first one. We know that Emma, my agents, I see, quite this year, no, them Quesia. Evanagini. And the university you was here from the school accountant to the Cocadia, and Colana by but I ain't some kind of by anybody said, I'm only set it into what they see. Can you come here and second one, what others are better? Anything back on, I don't want to go past it. Set it into crazy, a moment, and I'm account with it one day. The school for Golas and Gloria said, you didn't give me power. The Copan to Cobas is here, they may be in a day, and then inquiry to my teacher for a opinion of Friday. She will not know the tendency. You must see the inquiry day about it. And it's even on the begging for your sale, mobile school, no one that was Tuesday about the patch. And on the letter, an official letter day, a buy, and a school to me, no kind of yes, you know, a trembling for the same in yesterday, saying that we are the look, I don't know. I'm going to use you, I'm going to for me. If you are some human way, I'm going to Chama. And the crop, and I'm a master, and everybody did the teachers, the more than the other. The Panaca deal with you. Never I was around, or my Australia, or my tea. Don't know if they say, oh, my Pino. Well, I never call him to one. I tell you, you said, we are Chira, no Mujina, I can end the other digital test. And so one started on one side, they say, oh, dear, them was here for. If I haven't seen the other man when you're 19, I say, praise the Panos, 2 students, we are no free the home, either welcome to see. She will do one. Boys in the Pina, a share of guys when you're almost so much. And Tenanka almost so much about what you say jacket. An Indian jacket, and if the Muslim man jacket any day. And no one will teach you to school. I was school of Canada. We know quite a change up the school for those years at Ade, I went to one day. And I won't come Kalani. And then you want to attempt to question. The school penny look at you, feel no friends, you see the day. I see. And it's all you do because could do one open in case you could do, yeah. As you know, I see a move call to the new Yan and call you warm, as you didn't call you good. And your dormitory, the big room walking come. The balance and you look to a police phone, Abba. No, also I felt Commander Bonaman, but no by no police phone. If I didn't do a day, I will do one on my second to police call. I done it from Ankolan Kolan to Konan, phone, and you do it a day. I begin to Konasu. But in Penny, I begin to Konasu, which I say, or one of the said because of Mamma be a wine, or Mamma Kolanabo. The first school, you know, 4 hours master on the domino. Community drinking as I'm paying full moon the other day. I begin to Konasu. Because one of the key statements of the say, Sandy Pan over the day, almost a shell. So, million of them could not promise your mouth. That was their statement, and I'm on the key. And when I just went to Mose, a brother, a Basil, a bomb, a little bit of Asian and Catholic, and the two crowds. And then a mobile Corana, Massacre, and Madia. The news of Mosaic videos in India, Corani with 3 years of TV, the Padre at 70. No school will have to rise up to St. Patrick's Hospital. And I'm also the Padre is here, little Kuku, Abaya, Sabia, Offensive Mercy, that's in Patrick's. I will show you. The police is running about mobile cameras from the town, and now for the meantime. But due to say that to do that, I would get a camera town for the police for the free school. And I did a phone for the one by the school next one of the first one, 1 or 2 easy. And I only have some more people. Up to them. I mean, no, I was a quarter and I was also under. It's a nature teacher for the shelter for a woman who didn't go to Kakarano. The news outside, and one from the inquiry. The boy on Karanamba. And I'm going to say, Moba, all around the just like you know, the first and the banner faces into the care of Mogashi. And the other speaking to the time of the day. And the pain is could be to me after the way I call you know who is Colano. Because the young man has a form for the day. I can't even go to the school. While I'm in the school, I'm going to call a much be my uncle. Or you can't tell me that you know that you go to the coil to the coil. In the Cacanate, a boy and see them and they will say about the 4 years. Then they know about the man of Shop and I don't come on to confront with your mutual. No, but you know, they say, most of them are more trouble and that was almost in your work. Because this one, in general, was also more qualified. Some of the catcher almost said, "Oh, about the school." And the usual will be paid. You know, you have not done also. I didn't know what I'm doing. I keep the my radio. I'm also now going back to the school. The papa is sitting in a receiver brother in the bay. A million to one question of Crown was in the Panasonic affair. The seniors in Pudia is for school in the valley. Here by the same in Timonche. That is a patana seven on the other in the home with the Jennifer. You could work on the other. I don't see it. It was good for Glen to be rather. So what you have to share with us and all the share with the music is a little change, but that's a big movie from the Unity. And you know, by the way, you don't remember the Machine. I'm not going to was almost a day. Because company only got to the one key when the police Friday. I don't know just to say. Police program was a teacher for the 3 campus because I only did the teachers near. I can't put some money police for the UPG. No, we are the school for Calamity. I don't know what you mean in we have to school in court. In the moment, I saw a police for the Mumbai. I can't cover the mobile phone telephone. And from the phone, I can't show to the night and I did your home with the first on the fast and master. The real until when they say, when the party fee, I don't know you want to know. In Colombia, who was ever principal, some more fear in Bernardo is not a principal as well campus. We are a abo and a man, and you are every man down in the and a Colombia work as a man said, I will follow by my fear of them. And a man about police for my years, see the police for years, I tell them to them. She see the again, and one of the echo. It is easier to look as a school Domino and an accountant to the particular idea government to be a coffee. Only a police for me and I can't jail of no pay. Then the Franco and Siena police for no living a mutual house. So no could make it a patience in the day. And I'm about to campus. And I'm willing to know what the caters are my age. I'm not going to do I'm not in school, not if you're not paying. I don't know much of coffee. And Calamity and Calamity would have until about servicing on the battle as it would be on the president of the town. Then I was a good bit in your want to say, a Calamity in the campus, a fellow of Christiana, because I did see you in the Calamity, because of Bianca, and your official announcement, some more. You know, about to be an end of the day. Or continue to play the school letters on one sachet. I felt our phone in the office, one looking the Christiana as a man the other day. I am glad. The owner of the and something you could be a place for someone. Also, I was a man of the best of my day, or begin investigation. So they will never come. You know, I was a vegetarian.
Sir, Mohano, officer South Town.
Yeah, those are out. Concentrate, those are taking the car city. OPI.
And one scene there, Franco Usuno. Na asemi said you okay and then the crowd na e sha see na
the quality and now don't say the I know the quality that we to it can no the number so say the we can say the center the quality aye and quality ko na yi so atiase but it is say a teacher for no one can be all day no one will that in the government you go say that and we to call issue. And if I teach any particular ground on that sports, and yeah, there's all the local days, you know, the school, as I said, and over the last all the time, you teaching the campus. And the number of people is on a day, almost a channel. And I say, yeah, and can put the other meeting here, say, I'm going to be a teacher who has a very good to pass on your because of what kind of school I don't know because of say we know that the leaves is we this on the school crime and no go there I went to school of the we are so in the LG or what you say them to come I see a come on be also the police for to come say we say I know the
and I don't pay police for no a omode mobre omunom da so ho
Police for no mo dey mo buy no amon dey no you buy fee no mo ko but this is on kala insurance abamba for dey no badada nti no pay no ka so do za abamba for dey be nsa amon so ko kala mo chira mo so no mo na da wa nti amon ka ta na jo mo da wa dey amon ko nti amon mo she kala mo chira mo so no amon no ho no si amon ka se
ene na che sa mumu nyina akra munye save
I mean, a teacher for not dear. The person, the cousin may say, because I bring myself a key statement to clear any parameter of good quality, and the present life is at stake. Yeah, when the more we go why the videos now circulating, the teachers will be done on my eye, the person I know more than no more. And I'm losing Kurambo, I don't know. Could maybe back. Right, so we are going to go to teach you more. And the teacher in the back because a Kurumani Mako and a sequel of a kind of teacher or a Kurumani to tear the camera. It's free as I could many year or more boys in the or a school for or only protect him without another as a mini person of the Abana coming Jersey. City Banner kind of and probably independent in a question. I put the other name. I should give a video where I put the other name. So I'm depend on Bamboo. I don't need to share anymore. You know, the American and just and I can only prepare an idea. I will tell you. We can say we don't know the question this is young capital and just and I will be the other is a bonus time you do Abraham continue to go to charity a man. I born on the other. On the good material and you know the chance that the second one doesn't. More than a person in you have you know shall do before the other end in the other day. And yeah, what do you tell?
Sir, when you more money more kafra.
You're going to part of the pepper.
And to brown and no more paper now.
I'm because I know what people are something I can't just 1 week to know we school. And we are no next week way. And on 1 year, the Muslim people are getting tired because I'm going to go to the court. Because I'm going to be able to make a transition about it. I'm going to be able to come from bed. I'm doing so that I'm going to come to the I can let you know because police for all some telephone you don't like to go country. So I'm trying to I'm life. I'm going to and you continue to the evidence of the local coffee. The police for another better side. I know where they do buy and calamity with them or the police for the throughout the night. And then you meditate on the police for and set down for if you have a child on the voice or the true, I say. So the moment I also we are very 7 on the day. Company on mobile, but I don't do the police for all. I don't know when it is a group and even feel on the board. I don't know power.
All right, sir. And my ass na yes you remunim komo. Na tamoja mo so wonhwe yi, monya careful, monanti.
Okay.
You better komo de besi ya no be kasa.
Okay.
Hey. Asem kese e ba frankensi so. Asem kese e ba. Kwame na toilet.
Eradi Yesu Kristo. Eradi Yesu Kristo. Eradi Yesu Kristo.
To the level self school no crash so my ready say. Mo de mo nkope baby. Na ya mfie sika mesi toilet ma mo se.
What me asifie tim. When your baby ti wo ni toilet. A school for the na ani mo ba be ko.
Develop na mo ma be ko bi.
Edi ani bie be ba de mpumcho be ba de ni padodo be ba. Na ebi ne mo ba be relate na mo ba abusua no. Ya na nti. Na ya na ya me ya setan bia na sa tag no. On say you read this you know and some Zongo boys. Yeah. Come here say at the bottom dia be ba na sa edin we e na bata ho. so Kwame nyo mu nyina so de tisa kakra bi na say ene din wo bu ni adwuma bia ye nya hwe nye no na no makwa akoyesi no mu di dimbone di abebata sa empanifo yi nyina wo mo ebu o mo ho mpa o mo asem na mu di aba for o mo aden how why unko na money ade oh Charlie enyo and can run so salapa said the boys he been so Kwame Kwame in rap said he be this pa Kwame now who back could be pa Kwame said a man for see this salapa Kwame now who out to me say yes na mo de ntokwa salaka krakapa ye nijeda mo de ntokwa Kwame on the lighter note obi de ne namfofo nkramufo de akokot o se sala no duru ye no ma mre ne nam krata no be de asendo o de akọ Supreme Court me de krata na ma openi David openi me de krata na ma openi me de case na ma ba o de akọ wakwa file da ho o me ne krata na ma o openi ma he krata no lead anya easy na ni ambre authentication of we no plan doubt why we na me radio na anofedi ni enya seven dos kwa make it will be on sa 0.7 na MTN 4 ka ho asem say o send your free bank and now the free bank now the kwa yes bank account no e ho sensem no Penny, I think we have come far as a nation. I was saying penny for no, they shouldn't take Timemu for granted all of the time. More yes, because for more yes, na e kamia say Timemu for no ye afterthought. Ade be a baby afterthought. Meanwhile, Kwame Nkwantabisa decision be a baby. I was a woman can boy a money edge a yet Timemu for adwenture engage stakeholders. Who say stakeholders ya jet to more na assessing. But I come here say woman the baby na affiliate Timemu ji mo na fi no mo say omo atwe e de asan. Nti amani nyina akwa say Timemu we hear about every news be a baba ni every policy be a baba bia ya na ye last person ye hia yete last nti ye better na e ba be ye adwuma and ye na ye last person so a ye nya kwenya e kasa ho we are last to speak, we are last to hear, but we are first to Kwame incur or experience hardship nina consequences be a babano Timemu no ye first to experience that. But say the policy be bad, they don't involve us. Ye better na chire kura ye be hunu ne honke kaya chire kura parliamentarians yin so mo ho se bibie ni a mo be bo ya mane mo be engage an sakra na ba be dane mra na mo pass. But this time round mo pass wie ni e be nya effect no ansa na mo tu ho na mo ye pomacho anopa the American say I am begging them say it shouldn't continue and say Timemu will be the last people to speak and Timemu will be the last to hear about anything. Na say late hour ansa ni ate na fe so consequence no de Kwame ye na ye first to bear it ne first to bear it enye ye pomacho opini enti we dey asem kitua we na meka me da say
kwa me so me da say na ofori krom so ya behwe market no ho nsem na ye pe mayor na kase ba enya na ye need the public relation officer and so ye be din kobo we've been told say almost secure about 100 million Ghana cedi om de ba be wem ye nyina ye need G sa market na chi because a marketer concern maken concern mame concern ma obia ye ni edi akire pa because ye ni je ni say crofom market no ye betimi ayen once and for all and so a free ho na timi aboyin anope OCP Ghana Limited say men can choose say fertilizer there edwani OCP fertilizer Now fertilizer no eyema mo a modua cereals any vegetables. Cereals ne vegetables no de wo mu nie mo be use OCP NPK 15 no. Na omo wasa use 10 Udua legumes a unya OCP TSP. OCP fertilizer odi bolland na natural because of how I formulating no. And say no baye ema no baye so do so. Ema no baye picking in natural state in say Nyankopon board na. Enti anope ko fertilizer shop and agrochemical shop bia. Fertilizer ho nsem bia me so OCP fertilizer. For 0555 909437 0555 909437 and 0555 909433 OCP fertilizer a fertilizer any size a fertilizer a papa Anopai 21st clinic a clinic on its own. You can't clinic and say ya dear shany dosu. Ya dear bia yo PD or kama. Doctors so your consultation kama. Anopai dear ne how brother any doctor mekasa. Yen your lab, yen your scan, yen shed you womb, yen man who drew. Then mom ya dear friend sciatica, any ya dear bay. Usisi a chip chum besu na sia. A cho say ya de Cassian Eban, to one so I know a dibayo. Anopai sciatica expert 21st clinic in American for the amount. Over 15 branches all over Ghana. Kumasi Eshan overseas junction. Yeni afa radio ne ben so. Sompa TV, Sompa FM was show ano moye from her. Oboase Council Quarters, Court Junction, Hoda be home. Sa enso so na crying Tantra Hill. Sunyani Regional Hospital and Sunyani Teaching Hospital. Omni first gate in the DN, Mr. Mados Abru saying. Nkransa enso so mu ho. Sa enso na udru Techimine. GN Bank dying that day names. They say names on Quaco Premos of 0249311311 0540311311 0249311311 0540311311. Share your dear many pound told. Just a get to a 21st clinic. I don't pay comfort. COMFORT. Your friend comfort. But man can comfort. Man can comfort. Ni nyina se watadum be yhwam ni pedia na bresi kwale we de wasi onwom awie wo besamfunu mu no fa bigum especially about time for no ma no fo nsuo enyeje matadem ne nkwada ne nwomem ana won so a o spray watadem ase ekwa ase enko ase mu aye basa ohia comfort ni bi fa bigum anopa comfort ni de gu atadem mamu yehwam if gu atadem a okoyi atadem na wadi age wonze wa laundry ama laundry no SCP sita anopa bomodin a na pe comfort after wash come be papa be you live afford the buy so you can imagine live afford nyoma e papa say anopa pe bi na fa gu nyomam na nyoma be hwehwehwehwehwehwe oso nyoma na comfort nkan wo dia they say wasa akapoma na wandwam anopa itago he ba mission capsules yemma bemma ho ensisi ho so ben wo mema semuntimi enimu they say wo impotence kojo to misfunction enya adwuma yi watenka wo fom oba na beba infections ahodo ana adokore all pharmacy shop drugstore herbal shop ubenya biato 0243228296 0243228296 ura also petago herbal mixture tago nie erectile misfunction away low libido away infections no grade tie umuso RSYD no VG studio shonko professional photographers, videographers, creative directors ahodo o ye movie o ye film o ye skit o ba ye be director yo studio kama wo ho nso edon so ye be boa o director o de ne kwa ye ni problem facility no be twa ne ko na ye wo videos a etwa ye kama cameras papa bi puzzles ne quality anope ye won crime malama biase first kukuruko street nanso Ghana fa na nyina free 057 471 5778 057 471 5778 and 030 397 4822 na bra na yen chiro akwanpa ye de o video no befa so o ye podcasting so a o free beba e bia o ye anniversary o be so streaming no so ye ne kama o timi se ani da ho RSYD Novigi Studios, your number one creative studio. Also, let's create something extraordinary together. And I'll pay a Roman Father Nedrono. Father Martin Seba Mr. Roman Father Nedrono, a Roman Father Nedrono. Oh, on Sayo Tichiti, on Ayo Tichiti, stroke anacho, honam tutu, honam yo ya. Also, honam tutu, honam yo bete, why weakness no a high, pressure, diabetes, and now chronic disease, yadia ya kwanko. Mesi adrowe be boa wo se. Adrowe, o de man Yankopon enkwai, eye divine ankasa. The best medicine for all your sickness. Hey, drugstore bia, pharmacy shop bia, eba shop bia, benya Roman Father nu pay biato. Eye Roman Father Nedrono, Father Martin Seba Mr. 0247919122 0247919122 and 0552668517 0552668517 ano baby na bobo na abon se Nkwantabisa menu tro menu bone nso eniema akoyi ewo ho Barbara how far kaya bon komo kakra afa market woman so because I'm told say sike nyina na ke 179 million say o mako raise 100 million ya bad e betima ye adru baby about 80% yenwie na kama per 79 na beso so yenni agro yenni abere o sa market no eh say nso fefa no dem so kura say ahwe na dan baby kura sugar mesrem a yentimi nya japade kama sei kofo ne na baby nya baby ni dwa. What kind of behavior is this? Can I repair match?
Yeah, I mean your penny and I want to say.
I am poor Yamiadum, me where pa, I want to say.
Radiadum, say Ade Akye, yes, some Ghana mine. Na mama ya kunya se yemra na yenso mebo anchechire mine no. I mean senior penny bra Kwame eyara enye NDC amemu enkoyi a da bia de enkeye. Nkeyara keye pa na.
Onya modi anope me nya sure say ye bad mo kra.
Mitimi kabi. Hey, good body yeah you. Oh but unim eyan mani age ohun on say yen ye ba so no na ye de eyi na aba yen ye ba so no ye nadmo ye making sure say various constituency officers no ebenya adwuma ye. Unfortunately for us no. All right.
Rita Efia
okay.
Do.
All right.
Abua John public relations officer Emma Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Abafia Rapai Marche. Now come to say
Ade Akye
Abia. When yeah, I need just some number from Memuna no pay yes me amompiru na yenhwe no kwasem a ewom krofom dwom no de dwa no ya nyante yese se de ya ban we ani so ade hu so mbehwe no maye no nyante yese sika bi aba na mo ba be share adwuma ase an monim ya ehwo asam te sei wadaroma
mpachoma mentia pefo nyina no pe na ya da se o platform yi so afem ye pachopi some now to say on from no kre na era Zuba edit to ja ewo 9 Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly General Assembly meet na ye ejwada any ebnade na ne sessional address for the year no and na odi to mo say enkomodi bi a wedidi any anamo a wotu no aboa no ama wotu ni enya sika 100 million every SIF funding yeah process ni nyina akosi Ministry of Finance so ama October ente o me release sika e de amaye na yetumi e de akọ eye crop mu dwa na pe estimate ye consultant ye Vanguard Limited e de maye no o say ye be hia 179 million Ghana cedis e na ye de aye enti 179 million Ghana cedis no e na Ministry of Finance e boa yen with 100 million e na ya KN so part of common fund no last year 2025 and this year 2026 no guidelines that are for 24 hours market. Inti, yeah, the example made me in for me. This is 14 million Ghana. And the not just me now, couple my 114 million as a year. Why they for dynamo? Now, a kaka, you need to have a difference. No, after putting a bear, which me, na send a get the oh, here and which me, after and to my ifra. So, what I remember, yeah, na and press.
Not just a way there, straight from GOG.
Me trying 100 million is straight from GOG.
Now, consultant no on duration omuko ho anko betimedi. Say as care baby.
Okay, but at the early part of this year, na my assessed by December. But they say the my assessed delays currently a first quarter of the year 2027.
2027 or early 2027 yeah.
Yes, quarter. Yes.
And the way some to say and that is a 24-hour economy market sika ni bi na modern no so kan wa ko remu. I see. Not just a way there energy samo. Na option konta ya afia ubu idia that is a 65 no. No more care me an esa de beba na.
So na make us kai ni asan boy. Na dia so.
Good. Na we cash no ayede ya boma no ho ba ana ba beto ma accounts mu.
Oh, but your process ni na ya follow and approve as one. Then they have beto your account ni.
The entire kasa because say who say abedura then we can follow up with contractor no. Tina member me busa sa ade.
Na so me assessor. It was but me the finance am I approval. So my approval there e o so me e wire the to your account. Dey to mo a. And but contractor will fight they all my grade home. Attach construction.
Okay. Abia no pa ma me na asepa ni chemu ade amai. Henrita afia konedu aboaje ana ye kasamafo edema Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. Echina yebesan atwa so because yini de edamani so pa echina ni PM so ebedi nkomo na ewura ni zuban so betenase because we have to see say project no ekoso ehya ase ekra na o say ye kotena ho bo obi firi ho a ye ken say o territory on okay. And
lawyer Balfour who are there, but most of maybe constituents no he's a fantastic lawyer. Those say but well you made it so we have a test skin for you and talk one day now oh can't mean you massive
yes
and surprisingly surprisingly all media stations either my blacklisted NDC for all panels one. Oh no, I didn't because and my monitor all the stations. I mean, who and this communicate about crowd?
Total meeting.
The whole Ashanti region. Good boys, can hear you all.
No, if I go with Mr. Nafri meeting, where for some bay.
Oh, me more some say. Oh yeah, Juma.
Company na can one dam.
Good board. Some Jemfi. Oh, I say what share communicators. We share. And it's a known fact.
Communication officer.
And
you show more the news.
Hey,
most time now, share more than
why?
More communication and we are banning we won't share. No, we share one. And you gradually share.
Why?
One share the ammonia you may because at your buy the first.
When is it? I do back a position is hard, you know. But yes. Unim oto akodua no in America. I think say a nice step in as much as enyema basa omo govern o man nkoye no. I'm happy say omo share the whole Ashanti region communicate. And unim omo manyi bia mfiri mu. Obia. And
for communicators no more iPad as a laptop.
Yes, o make iPad. And yeah dear no ebeba no yen kan no kre. Yeah dear ebeba ba obi befa. But obi befa. You say opposition to kind of crash na in Sri Lanka nyam inshallah say ye free a youth organizer be ye mama party no ama Ghana fo hu te de ekoso Nana Nkwantabisa bin CB
I feel more communication of sales and motion. You need to be to a baba.
I'm going for Keskin, Dr. Keskin.
Okay.
Keskin.
National.
Ashanti region.
Okay.
And a national, so I will say Miracle Eba.
Okay.
One these or the real finity Gordon and so ever. Gordon so ba. These are the two a year or may you Diabama auntie.
So we have because more communication structure there. And your crowd.
And yes, and you unim. Also first no nana patriotic. I do why actually a woman na edi kind no ye to about 10 constituency executives now 10 region na communication is by appointment enti obi me manipulating but in Kenya me this time around ye to about and look right am free youth organizer me call communications because ye to about umu odu and you obi na appoint to na akwaya good enti no so ne one cure ye call review no e wa akra no aboa ye enti this time around we are going to vote and who corner to abano now we year who say to abana you until make me impeach you yes and you know it's a right and at this time so you panel panel labeling yes for example say aha be me day Thursday the whole Ashanti region communication bureau in him say Thursday we me day me was Sompa TV Sompa radio ye nim say wa Monday obia beko na enkoye futufra saa dabi so it will be streamlined na aboa and we work in Keskin edin komosa Ashanti region particular yebeboa edi amano because he's a young guy was sua there wakona nim oh yes that I am in his camp into the lines
me baby nam de bia me baso me nam ka say munyoma di because a hono cry say almost streamline yet timetable
yes
the other side you know enyamu
the other side
I say enye chaos as in crash we see abetu say Toby I think say abetu
two team ba
have to choose one
definitely me come here maybe say some part from I'll come to some and leave everything
of course
and you know side ni ya we streamline say timi ko crash aha ni hanti no obi abenya de obekọ anopa bekọ
akra me who say sa na obedu na sa media ba
MPP and fair dear ma oh wa na ena yen so the MPP nso no ye how ba ko ne say on say enne na niema asesa senior na nka ye nemo relationship no on say bibia na relationship nti say senior me oba bi na afa phone frame say Ken bra me need option I have to come but say your panel there at least say
panel no cry there me ni wo munya ni sa ko me Ken
oh had a Thursday there and your Keskin mo obi as me Thursday there and I'm crying ma oni me ni another big station sabu dey ku share no say madam for pan am say me ntimi me say me ba Sompa eti say you frame me bi say no problem now say me no problem oh yes no cry about no cry about you know
say Nkwantabisa there onye party say we individual say na say enti no go say Ken na kwa kopa abato am say support
oh yes that is how
go say me support NDC ni we ha na say me individual because kwa we obetima bo party
sure.
By extension
oh yeah that's it
not supporting dance me support party me the party I support individuals and party
no correct
mo want to manage party and mo support party
and this time so no I was so obehwe
also mo
ye because
mo dey enya
I be real way be share be new jako was hey can no mo pek kan am se mesre o dey opposition
o be teacher Mahindra okay
oh but yes oh no make us for once ota akwadua no ayi NDC omo communicators very well send you share the whole Ashanti region on say yenuanum kramufo edi badekade edi omo yi to omo so no omo di edi
you see that
me yi Daniel Kwaku Mensa DKM ope Ashanti regional organizer enra of communicators e shira enu omo tra se to nsa didi okono se je omo kam kwan kama enka obia eti sameti ho na me ka se regional organizer Daniel Kwaku Mensa DKM ena yenya ye bekam ye nkoto aba ma no bi wo wonte ase enra me da wa na wo frɛ abrante na awai na mso omi wo fi sa okay bra me kwa de na mse bia bibi ye ko ya communicators nyinaa wɔ ne fie o wanoa aduane ɔmo nkramufo wɔ mu ahwɛ ɔmo kama owie yɛn nso no ɔsan gya obi afɛ kwan fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ eti nipa bi sɛ so ɔpɛ regional organizer me ho ade kuro nti a me supporting no Daniel Kwaku Mensah DKM because wayɛ nnwuma bebree onyanye oyobi also on communicators in agro oko Facebook is all over enti Daniel Kwaku Mensah DKM baby a obi awrade nhira o ene anopɛ na ayɛyɛde anu a woyɛ ma communicators no na wa maybe nso aba sompa fie na mo nso yɛdua oh me na me ka wonka bibi ankyerɛ ɛna na me NDC fo amenti ɔbɛka sɛ yɛbɔ but adwuma ne yɛbɛ ɛna ayi mame nso fa we ɛyɛ miami nua ba agya ɔbɔ yɛchi ɔbɛbɛ kumase de me kan de ɔyɛ sompa hene ɛwɔ gumu afete Nana Nanka Bruce the first. Erade ya adoma 24th of August. Omo di ahoroba afashe ewo gomu afete. Na afashe no mbebo Nana Abo Educational Fund. Nti omso omo to omo nsa frɛ gomu afete ni bia bra na beka omo no omo ni afashe ahoroba afashe na empem no ahoroba afashe gomu afete Nana Nanka Bruce the first Millicent. Nti o say ahoroba no say oh no enya insult Cape Coast enti Cape Coast enhye ma ahoroba say enhye me abufu na enti ahoroba say ase uhuru obi o say kasa no asante so uhuru aya tem didi o say asante kasa ne uhuru enti krobia ne senia asechire na tie oyemfa na ahoroba festival enti Nana Nanka Bruce the first 24th of August ahoroba festival Millicent baby obi beba abeboa na yedi nkomo na sa na tie say no oyes a untimi kan asem be ye nchia kwa ne gro so wa nchia obekọ elections am ya hwe but esa obi hwe was ken one pa na onyam so me ne de ekono season ne de me da so
300 Ghanaians flee xenophobic attack in South Africa. Government announces financial and psychological support. And I think say you video na arrive by the
yes
300 Ghanaians so far o ma ba
Nkwantabisa dika no mama ye sha se me da se wa mama konya se menka ye union mom free South Africa be drew because of the xenophobic attack and also it's unfortunate na me there but me stress say ye nyi amanyosem free because we nyi dey dikan a aban bi kwa kofa Ghana de hye edi omaba omenu abra asembia nti enra so hwe ya omo bedru ye na okujeto abla kwatem bia I don't know sometimes in as much as me pen as mo ye adwuma kakra but enro go overboard na mahama o say ye airport o ye mahama oh see mahama is the president okay so eyezu eyeza so we full video no here oh eyezu o say eyeza mini problem but 1983 I mean, 1983. Okay, Nigeria. You can find a for free Nigeria ban over 1 million Ghanaians. It was so by 2022. 2022. Ukraine MPP near Wabem. You can find by 2023. Sudanese 74. You can find mobile. NT a year, but a year young susu fanya man yourself. Yen susu fanya amanyosem ena omo nso omo ban no ebi complaining niam bi say ya ju omo phones ya ju omo mesre bo sha aban ne dia mo omo so ombeye no omo momodin na omo nye adwuma ne kama na bibia ntimi ko ne ntimi establish omo na mami nrem unim Martina South Africa for 2 good years na me wo Eastern Cape Port Elizabeth enti eba South African sem na minim e call 2010 2013 nti o hwe ya tena ho na onim sen ye da ho a omusisi bei also ko South Africa there were 3 major tribes the colored the Xhosa people and the Africans. Now Zulu now the biggest community, and I said the biggest tribe one. Sometimes omo no yen kan si so omo mpa adwuma. And asema we ya aba amanfo ye ho ha ni nyina agina. Unim say politicians no amanyokuo mienu a because of prior to elections see enti na omo support that xenophobic no. Yeah. Patriotic Alliance for so here a year any action essay. So Patriotic Alliance for no oko ho na omo wo only 9 seats in parliament too. But 10 bia no so be start here one o say xenophobic attacks na about 4 years abro mobile elections no
follow South Africa.
Oh Martina o me say what video so ba untimi twan because we fast check say see the woman nie me na mete Craddock Port Elizabeth Eastern Cape. Okay. Na ho no se ne ho sitie no eti se ebia wakọ Labonia nas obi ahye no unhu obi behu obi a wokọ adwuma nas opia ko na problem ni nie se ba National Assembly na yen ka the parliament na ANC for no ru na ANC for no or they go with the elect class no editem bia the only means political parties no ye beto aba and almost xenophobic attack AUC wo almost say oh yenko omo jimadwuma omo yesei monko na monhwehwom na eno de ebro ne ntokwa ne akayaka de ne ayi saa de na ede aba so we nuanum Ghana fu edo omo bae most of them no our jobs ni ayi companies ayo enra mitie malema wo say da bia ye beto aba na mo pamo munyanum Africans so monko wa pamo obi a ono abi adwuma wafa South Africa ni beye 10 se onko okoye no one adwuma wantima anye 2 wonso ntimi mi bi 3 wagu adwuma no enti nyansa ewoma wo de pamo unua na wa bebi adwuma afa no ni sei eto aso sai na won Nigeria for so start say South Africans should go back to their home ha adwen o bigger companies e Ghana no use scapa MTN South Africa company, ShopRite South Africa company, DSTV South Africa company. These companies that Ghana have also a sika or munye sika every day. And what is the essence say? And only one funny thing. Also they say Takwa Goldface and who lease in Semni Eba. Unfortunately, South Africa ambassador who any bread and then they saw mumpine Emma Ghana and ye Takwa Goldface ni free Goldface in Sem. Goldface is yes saying so Goldface is so a South African company. Until with this, at the what is happening, the president of the country, no, Ramaphosa, ain't me no among of one casa. You South Africa for Subai. So, qua, your friend baby location. Your car location, Mpumalanga, almost towns, no. So, where to Mpumalanga, shanty towns, no. Your places are Sancrophone, they had you one, almost Perjuma, almost the end say a fool. I had 2 friends, Jolanda, Amanda, Daniswa, Kango. These were good friends of mine. But then we'll be educating them. And one South Africans so the country also took wine. When we say South Africa book passport, I call 130 countries, free visa. Enti obusana obutumusasa oba have a year. Initially I say but you see now we have to come back. Because tina baby 2 years still near man so near I have to come back. And no it will continue, but a big these politicians no so smaller political parties no more Mpumalanga so where to shanty towns locations no omo dey say adwuma no because yanko no mu di akire no mawura but all the ade no mama omo ntimi enye. And again so no omo so man no ehu sa no they don't like their men. And your money bebree. Oh, me say ye madam for back cry no find grow see. And unim na night club or the biggest night club Eastern Cape and Port Elizabeth. Ye from Cubana. Za Cubana no. E ho no enije de enije. E wo ho. Che say ade an unim. Ene South Africa ni ben hia ene. Who no say o producer na ya wa huni first time na ne di nkomo ye Ghana for yesuman woni ne betena say oh wo beto nsa o pe we typical mesuman all over or no kwa he's expecting so the be coffee.
Oh yes.
But one for now kwa on tiasie. Ye call ho no. First ye call for oh ye Ghana for no ye. Omo come say and ye ntisa but on tiasie. Ye catch up say your culture and also they believe in culture. I catch up say culture and ntisa then no what tiasie. Make come na say adwuma na on omo mpe. Omo so mpe adwuma but they want soft life.
Show me same good no
na wako McDonald's no akwachi e ho so dey hold the pa but one can't ma enye nti ye besere ye nuanom South Africans they say especially and moving away from hono what is African Union so here
very important
African Union ye diade because Nelson Mandela and baby old be a one rebel will be so what are these only two political parties Action Troopers, that is Action SA, and political alliance, patriotic alliance for you can almost seat Action Troopers seat almost seat on more parliament 3, if one see 9. These people no 8 mean ransack came at the whole South Africa yeah. So what if say Asante Kasi so pam ohufo a otune bema? And what if they arise? What will happen? What if countries rise here? What will happen? And nothing ma Botswana and Lesotho 2 or 3 South Africa no. So over Durban Botswana and Lesotho is within South Africa but Subanfun saying o ma to omo. Eti ebesere. They shouldn't use this political I will plead with African Union say they should step up. And million US for any for no what are they also doing? And now is it because as a South Africa gold no they don't need the gold and care oil pa. The best African Union they should move ahead.
Are they not also telling us as a nation say America so media also developing and then at least Klobi to say none of sorry Cambodia for so my like how
unim enyema bi a ho ni nyina ya manwese o de transne hwedi say these things will happen na ebeba na ye kwa akoto aba country no man ko toba na be South Africa dey example 10 years xenophobic attack be bia na 2 elections 4 years elections o majimo ba munye adwuma nyenko Cambodia form so mo ko Cambodia ho no so o behwem no they are close to elections no mo see free no mo what do they and say o may be developing no there is no single state e wo wiase a o hia hoho nti na Asante yes see the hoho na chichira Asante it's the same thing in USA. It was the foundation was laid by slaves. Yeah, na before they do amukoye. Oh yeah, breathing. So I'm crying. The foundation was also laid by slaves. And to maybe so and nipa Ghana and China developing 1 million years ahead of Ghana, but their people are still trooping in day out. Eba Ghana, why? Because still I was also be the condiment. And is all over. And yeah, sadly say, who free me crying there. It's high time you better lecture now say the orientation of the South Africans needs to change. No one say you metropolitan world where we in a global world who hear me means me here day ya mingle. That is a I was say also because sure man the omnim so Zulu festival but no more sa any but it doesn't transcend to or more indigenous people. No man adwuma when you open what location or the shanty towns no so where to near yi basa farm no egu no man no nsa na nsa o man adwuma onye o san ya kronfo nso so these things that happen I mean why pity me say me worry say police look on na video ba ko amu ye police near handcuff Nigeria ni bi and the natives ne bono now do you handcuff somebody no abon because we need papers and it's a very bad that you will plead with African Union to rise up now. Sanya my almost so na yentwa so na nye because yes I stay in South Africa no fan ye di ehuni and sometimes and never be say but you know how to manage it nti hard and there are towns they are beautiful close so much chini yo and omo towns no and they are very good but omo free location Pumalanga so where to that towns neighbor no omo na here cause all these things nti ebesere say going forward now African Union I'm still reiterating the fact say African Union rising na omo nhwe na omo nkrape this minutes because so ya nso anu a you wouldn't know.
Yeah.
They bet me. Sorry, because Khaled phone crash sorry, Mrofuna or Muama count that they have cars when you're from Khaled. I'm so sorry, catch so they're also ready to shoot to kill. And you go to a point the leader of a political alliance no mujina street and at the Khaled for no sujina will be a kutagan and it will not go well for the country.
Minority. Become minority are definitely underrepresented. Have big issues with a year wallet to bank account 0.75 introduction and Keba. Though the ministry, the central bank, at their back say or more entry change so for now. But why are you still making case out of it? I say,
me that say, Eradin Shauma Quatintin. Yensha CFM free the current minister. Me no yina ya we so watne TV so. These were his words. So can potokasa with your permission, Mamenka. Was say if NDC comes to power, now the con why unity treaty, and the CS that is on the tax on the network is not removed, Bahama will no peace. Sam George. And the DNSC. Yes, say so koto se tikesi we adwea. Odin say kwa. Mobile mu ye whole lot of issues. Say e-levy. Mwe free ho. Meanwhile, this e-levy was helping the country. And only e-levy is simple. Samiti way, some answer this guy sent to me. Otiasie. But the same preamble share the number of Ghanaians save at the bank. Share the number of Ghanaians are more transacting business. And then utu fear we sika mobile phone so. Already more charging that down. May and find just a friend or more charge you. They are already charging. Me bank. I say with 3 banks, me more mudi. Musumi Ibia no Ibia may back cry may you misika because transaction all this you cannot cry to on or tell. Who say you know or tell. Back on so dear. A fason bosom and the son ya na betum kunkro no at 30 cities. Back on so kunkro no at 16 cities. Afe when you know chino TNA and unim they say or say per transaction.
Okay.
Already banks no any MTN anything that. To say me bank I catch about 30 about 16 at the end of the month no bank to wallet momo transaction am I no now fe o ma capino no my day o mati now at least o ma split the obi a percentage on me by this time around o say per transaction 0.75. It's 0.75 no send me 2,000 every me bank e dey atu me momo so a 0.75 no me wallet to bank no 0.75 no bet him 25 cedis per transaction. Enti this any 1 cedi na you charging the ordinary Ghanaian ebedwen ho say and around some say aba ye kind of initial say conversation assistant about the conversation was say abani ni mo he MTN for no na communicate start to go mu Ghana ni a o so and autolite wontimi ntua ne nema widen obenya sempa catch no catch ni say so hwe na ne wontimi nya ne nante ko bank ho ne ko use na refi say what the check crack bank or reduce charges. We are not fools. Now it's just that this time the crop of communicators about you know before this time we not sit down you make sure mama ordinary Ghanaian and who say azab been and kamode barber show almost like I say abandon him na you know na negligence of duty because and now be may implement it and only one serious adibi omoye when him say sika no moti dada wallet to bank no omote with 0.5% omote NDC for now expose you on their Facebook pages. One guy be all these communicators no and the MPP for tip and ignorantly transaction our year no at the end say 1st June and but transaction our year not 0.75 not taking effect we sika na oyi and your matina we equity na now percentage wise is the same as 0.75. What are they stealing from Ghanaians? You catch a Ghana for nti you for non tonche. Minister for Finance are so forcing. Most say is false. They say the unforcing. What's the narrative necessary? To tell me, say, Muni mo hwe na say Bank of Ghana should be issue letter say they should suspend or hold on. Eti bi Nkwantabisa boa me o. Me ne ye ne ahwefo ne etiefo. Eti u purchase communication bia nkoso omo sorry ya na omo say ye charge 0.75. It's not possible. That tells you say say NDC for ya zan be enti ni.
Because once they are regulated, you can't do anything without the
Exactly. Una regulate intimi sorry prekope enkas you have to protect the ordinary Ghanaian. That is your job. Intimi you can't tell them say communicate and cause say you are not aware say by increase. They knew. But omo who say propaganda wise na we are be the abejo omo pa ne sale ya abishemi. The abejo omo pa ne sale. E ka the next moment I won't see achi obi no ma change conversation no. Me then say Ghana for NDC for suban. Ghana for we said the only political party betima boa dwen Ghana for the social intervention papa eba the New Patriotic Party NPP led by Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Rade Yadma inshallah 2028 Ghana for the abemu be the digital man Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia amana be do o man NDC for can say bebre but sometimes no they are trying to say the ordinary Ghanaian no is the Ghanaian of yesterday. It's the only NDC and Obeka Church 2,500. SO sent 3,001. It's the only NDC and Obeka Church Okonia Mawa Poncha Church say Yama Nentwi. This political party. And today can say we have a problem with it. Because okay say we the levy and no a tax and then say tax. Say it's a tax. And the tax a free tax they say. And what can you levy? NDC for abo musu nyansa. Any electronic transaction be NDC for abo musu adie. NDC for abo musu adie. Any electronic transaction is e-levy, but they don't know. Any electronic transaction is termed as e-levy. Yes, electronic levy. And our electronic transaction near tiwa. The charges that come out of that transaction is a levy. And what is the difference? Omunte free education at the bank from Cram Castle 419 to Omensia. Ain't yes, Ghana for. Somebody de bia meka me say num so twen ope achiemu esiabebo nyina Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia MPP papa will come back to power and then save the country from the mess of NDC or Moka Agenda 133 and then Moka say 24-hour economy page 37 of their manifesto and then they've turned it to market. Say ECC market na market no okom office so American meeting ya bra Kwame wo say okom market wa 24-hour secretariat credit don't operate 24 hours no akusisi market. Say yeah 24-hour market. The projects are there. Agenda 111. Okache say enye sensible and enye logic say you do agenda 111 at a go. Or when this is for dynamic this for diabolic. But 24-hour market the almost seen at a go and also seen at a go. It is NDC need the catch or say so no and here for ma over to you. NDC they have nothing to offer. They have nothing for Ghanaians. It's only say omo bedada Ghana for two Ghana. Then I will say the ordinary Ghanaian Ghana for who chiro omo was you $1 buffer. Ghana for who chiro omo yatemo so. And one no so yate so no first pan 5 kilo. NSL producer abeka nana 4.2 4.8 7 caps 8 caps. Na yade aba 7 cap 8 caps no. Ka opese say the monochrome so matters na more bay yemfa no nsem ntuo. It is the only political party betima boa obai okache nse obema obetu enso okoko fuafuom obema teachers automatic posting obeti electricity so obefa just ensem ne de basa NDC fo hu de omoye and governance now no say when they see their face they are back at the wall quickly yankwachi obi nhim ni akwachi no enti we nyina ekoso e kire Ghana ni say NDC ni no omo buy na dear pa omo nka 1 year almost 2 years no NDC form with omo form sense omo kase e buy no social intervention we ni aye amo obia and one dangerous thing crime race and fee and say also mobile no kuja to saka assembly or say the government are going to put them the government these are his words the government are going to put them on the 24-hour economy and then the women's market okuja to na women's bank no ka otin ho assembly
women's bank so mo say 24-hour economy no banks women's bank maybe
Ghana for twen omo
all right
NDC
but yen share a crofo market no and pempen so as say aba bedroom the way forward for us because one of the areas yani ewo hu na emrenie ana was a gay pesika de hwe bat na akoye bibia ho mami kan messages ne kakra na ken hu me kakra na one top nyezi oyibo bu atin atwoma ne behi. The return of the Ghanaians from South Africa is a step in the right direction, but I think government should give them some startup capital to start businesses in Ghana. I to Chairman Odeno Kwaku Apia Koka Honorable Amua Wuku Mike Ashanti Regional NPP Secretary Ofo and Shelley Che Tiwa MP Achumanwa Bieja South. Oyibo Buatin Nebehi. Oh, Kwame Richie, thank you. Yeah, check it out. Okay, Kwame, thank you so much. Kwame Richie, okay. Foster Usu, okay. Foster also Medasi. Foster, thank you. Filippo Kwabrin Kase Master, Dambraka Kente Trade Shop. I thank God Ghanaians in South Africa has come home safely. Greetings to my daughter Frimpong Manso and child Felix and my mother Auntie Mary of Genesoso Filippo. Oh, good God love Edu Dankwa. Oh dear, for now no enjoy Facebook. We will be back. Why? Don't worry. It goes so and solve it. Happy Eid al-Adha. Okay, we're belated. To all NPP Muslims and Ghanaians celebrating. I believe in 2028 the MPP under Dr. Bawumia will win and rescue Ghana from the incompetent NDC government. The spirit of sacrifice we honor today must guide our politics tomorrow. Ghana deserves better leadership, and together we can deliver it. My regards to Dana B, JFK, and Mr. Usu Bempa, Inshayaso MPP Chairman Hopeful. Okay, Yamra Crowfoot Market. Okay. 100 million available, 14 from the Assembly, and then still Rebecca 55. Yes.
Before Crowfoot issue, no. On say, Tembia, so what the near my propaganda, the politics, these are some of the things that happen to you. Yes, Mayor Richard Ofori, Ajiman Bodi Zuba, Editu, but also mobile Bemuna, Nom Kofa, track, BG, ho, Kohro, almost social media. So I told these guys, NDC for no, I didn't need theatrics, ne, concert parties are. Yenya, you crow from Tina, crow from him, say, crow from January 1, and somewhere walk on. Senior, and ya the Ketuao. Because so rare crow from Jomna, contractors a womb. So we crow from Jana, a subcontractor. A biwa amount for what? It's not easy to say you can just go into the market and say, if you will see a bra only amount for new home. Ye kind say Janice one, and yes, ofiti wa one day, no acquire 9-day wonder, a chance was also didn't come more. Nancy, we are not the chance, ya bet you no money G, no mafa, certain cowboys, you over back 200. Now pay NDC, Crowfoot, at the camera, Jina, and I you who the eye. Now we come a bomb price contract and attach you on the amount of crown. Sir, at that judgment debts near him, they will clear. Yes, sir, I'm not being a prophet of doom. A beside a white elephant. Enye is say, who bet me? I call Crowfoot. I say you can't because in some way a sub contract. They will check Main Street. No, it belongs to one contractor. Who ran inside and saw another contractor. Government in India is less than 10%. It will such this no. They will call raise certificate. They build the Sikana Arma project next store. You know, are you ready to pay that judgment debt? And to me, no, a good call these contractors, call these subcontractors. Talk to them here. They do say a quite benny a befa but fans no name and 24-hour you see let's get the distinction 24-hour market no musis e be no more diverted their back from no and unfortunately for them crow from no sikani bi na sikani bi ne enti wo che omunchire mu say omu government there now omu na is less than 10% and omu dey kwa akoye omu dey kwa akoye anye sa it will be very, very difficult. Say, omubetimi aye crow from adwuma no ɛyɛ sɛ nke ɛbɛyɛ ama yɛ nnuan manya baabi atena but ɛho nsɛm ɛyɛ a ɔmo propaganda sɛm ɛne nneɛma na ɔmo yɛ no by the camera kosi so how many months ɔmo power and yeah I think say is it the deputy is it the vice president the bar hɔ anaasɛ obi ɛsɛ ɔbɛkate so yɛyi metuo din nam so yɛ theatrics ɔbɛyɛ 9-day wonder say contract yi most of them ama attach yɛn musa say attaching da bɛn wɔkɔ site these are some of the questions you should be asking no also the contract na ama attach da bɛn wɔkɔ site enti yɛsrɛ nkuro from market wɔn bɛyɛ a wɔn nyɛ ne yie na yɛnhwɛ na nneɛma no nyɛ dɛ ɛnkɔ so minua cancer baby nso ɛsɛ ɔkyɛ no pɛ holiday ɔmo abade ka de sala ɔno na Ashanti region youth organizers ne de ba Ashanti regional youth organizers me da se ɛtɔ da bi a na tia fa so adade ɔde
0548931931 0554931931 Barbara yankwa homa ne so na yemfa yetiefo papa bi. Hello, good morning. I say I name sorry to call double mafre oh we ready I have you tired of it do I be travel seconds so kasa na end kasa na end birthdays is Barbara so do so 0548931931 0554931931 yen together for birthdays no eto so ma me mesrew I have about few minutes. Happy birthday to Bridget Ousu of Pankrono. Bridget Ousu, this is from Equia Nikki at Chronom. Equia says happy blessed birthday to you, Bridget. Today being your birthday, we ask for God's blessings and favor. Obeku, happy birthday, beautiful one. Enjoy your day. A special birthday to my wife, Alice Opoku Ajamasi Dewu, from your husband, Benzema at Asante Agona. Your husband say he loves you so much. You are a beautiful woman. Also, when you want to ye den, ko be deni. Yeah. Benzema so do. Also, when you makra ni kunu. Also, it say ne doyere no wampa. Happy birthday, Oba Alice. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Princess Pokia Edujemfi, a final year student of Jache Pramso Senior High School, from her mother, Janet. Happy birthday, Princess. Oh, your Hemampa. Oh, yeah, Princess. Oh, your Ohinebampa. Yes. And Jobatimode. Oh, yeah, Princess. You are beautiful. And may God bless you even as you celebrate this wonderful day. Happy birthday, Princess Pokia Edujemfi. And happy birthday to Patience Equia, a student at University of Education, Winneba, from your husband, Obeng Samson Evans, incoming communication officer, Kwabri East. Okuno say, on my happy birthday, Onyankopon Emma, when you saw Diana, Ekunina, Emrem. Oh, Miami Evans. Even so, the anyone know. Oh, any happy birthday to you, beautiful one. Enjoy this wonderful day. May God see you through. May you come out with flying colors in your university education. Yes, saying I may say, Omo akuma so adiem. Happy birthday, Ivan Seye. Happy birthday to Obapa Christie at Choba. Oh yeah, hey, na choba operator brofo be na mtwensa. Krachi en chro brofo sa. Happy birthday Obapa Christie. Oh yeah, choba operator ewo Estate Junction. Ami we na aduane ye kama se. Obapa Christie, ye, Obapa pabi. Happy birthday. Okumkom amamanfo adidi amen. Sem na bebre afa no mu abeyeska fo ni adefo. Se ka ni wan ko mbe dey. Choba mu choba. Choba mu chochofrocho. Obapa Christine insano nkwan bo say. Happy birthday, Obapa Christie. Enjoy this wonderful moment. And happy birthday to Madame Regina Opoku of Crestmont Academy, from Pastor Isaac Ata Osei. Pastor Isaac, so my happy birthday, Madam Regina. Enjoy this wonderful day. May all your heart desire be granted. May all that you aspire for be inspired by God. Happy birthday, Madam Regina. Enjoy this day. On that note, Barbara, executive producer, thank you so much. Kwame Jaku pass it through. But now see din komo Sir Elsona Ken. Yes, the indefatigable Ken so ba no pay. Ya me sure be